Introducing the Insta360 Flow Gimbal, the AI-powered gimbal that makes your smartphone a content creation powerhouse. Using the Flow is a breeze. Just flip it open and start shooting. The built-in selfie stick and tripod make it easy to use and place. The Flow's advanced AI tracking technology keeps the subject in the frame with incredible accuracy. It can even remember the target throughout the shot and continue to track them, even if it's temporarily obscured by another subject. The Flow's 3-axis gimbal makes it easy to capture smooth, cinematic shots, even when you are on the go. The Flow's Smart Wheel is a versatile control that lets you easily access a variety of functions, from shooting to playback. This makes it easy to fine-tune your shots and achieve perfect results. The Flow is so small and lightweight that you can easily carry it in your pocket. It's the perfect companion for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants to create amazing videos with their smartphone.